everyone! Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Joe and my cat Macchou is there. I'm just an ordinary Japanese woman who loves making dishes requested by people from around the world. Today, I'm making American BBQ Chicken Wings with lots of vegetables. Parkinson, during my live stream, you told me that barbecue is a big part of American culture and that people are passionate about their own style of barbecue. You also said you love dishes with lots of vegetables, especially vegetables you've never seen before. So, Parkinson, and thank you so much for sharing my contents on X. Because of you, I got my very first X followers. So today, I'm making barbecue chicken wings with plenty of vegetables for you. And actually, today is my mom's birthday. Later, I'm going to call her and tell her I made American BBQ chicken wings for the wonderful person from America today. Mom, thank you for always supporting me. Happy birthday. So let's make it together.
Mucho. Mucho.
Okay.
Mucho. 오.
Let's make my version of American BBQ Chicken Wings. World Food Tour Day 67.
Wow.
Working with Birch-san. Thank you for teaching me about American barbecue culture. You love vegetables, so today I'm making a veggie-packed barbecue. Let's keep cooking. By the way, today is my mom's birthday. Thank you everyone for celebrating my mom. My mom is always so happy that I make videos answering requests from people all around the world. Thank you so much everyone around the world. This is my first time making barbecue sauce from scratch. Okay. Done! Such an amazing smell. Delicious! I can't believe I made this myself. Thank you so much, Macchou. Hi again. The short video you saw was my daily cooking short. The barbecue was so delicious. It was my first time making homemade barbecue sauce and I love it. Bakin-san, thank you so much for the wonderful idea. I'm also so happy that many of you joined my live stream today. Hyperlingualism-san, thank you for asking about my cat's name Macchou. It made me really happy. So how was today's video? If you enjoyed it, let's go on another world food tour together. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Yesterday, I shared about an Azerbaijani dish, and so many of you were happy to see it. That made me really happy too. Thank you so much for cooking and traveling the world with me from my tiny Japanese kitchen in Japan. See you next time. Bye!